Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the image and immediately making a duplicate layer so you can undo at any time. Next, zoom in to around 100% 200% to see edge details. This reduces accidental erasing. Select the Magic Eraser tool and set tolerance low for similar tones or higher for varied backgrounds. Once done, click a single area to remove large uniform sections, and make short test clicks on small spots to confirm the tolerance feels right before proceeding. Now you refine the removal by adjusting tolerance and contiguous options. Lower tolerance targets very similar pixels, while higher tolerance expands the selection. If contiguous is on, only adjacent pixels vanish. Turn it off to remove similar pixels across the image. Use the tool in short taps and pan frequently to inspect surrounding areas. Once broad removal is done, switch to a soft brush or the Lasso Plus fill to manually tidy edges, because automatic removal rarely nails fine detail. Finish by zooming out and inspecting the whole composition at multiple sizes. This catches haloing or color shifts. Use the healing brush or clone stamp to blend any remaining artifacts and match textures or lighting. Export a copy, keeping the layered file for future edits. If something goes wrong, oversized holes, color bleed, hit undo or return to the duplicate layer and try a lower tolerance or smaller brush. That single troubleshooting step saves hours and preserves image integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.